Here we go. Are you gonna laugh for mommy? Laugh for mommy? Come on, sweetie. Look at me. Sweetie, sweetie. Pretty Remy.
Quit laughing, Mommy. You're ruining the movie.
She has no idea what I'm doing. She's like looking down at my feet and you're crazy.
Crazy mama with her foot fetish.
There we go. Now she's doing it. Good girl.